Alright, Improvisation Center back again for another quick video. This one is going to be about headlights. And if you can tell from the round headlight housing I have here, it's going to be for an older vehicle. And the older vehicle in question is, of course, this old Dodge that we've been working on. And you can see it's missing an eye right there. Reason being is, these sealed beam headlights, they suck. And we all know that almost every new car out here has LED headlights. And conveniently, the aftermarket has obliged us with the old cars to make stuff to upgrade them to LED headlights. In this case, we have a replacement for the sealed beam bulb, but it's just a housing. And the housing, in this case, is for a 5.75 inch wide bulb. And it uses an H4 plug, which is pretty much the normal plug that you would find in an older vehicle anyway. And also, we have a 4-sided LED bulb for H4 plugs. You can get these online anywhere, Amazon, eBay. They're pretty cheap and they're pretty bright. And these housings here, you can get them in a pair. They're usually around 40-50 bucks a pair, depending on the style. I wanted to go with the older style where the design of the lens looks more retro than some of these other ones that have weird diamond cut lenses on them and all. I don't need all that. I just want something that looks normal. So I have one pair right now. I'll be getting another pair in soon because we have 4 lights. So right now we're just going to go ahead and throw these 2 lights in. These 2 lights are going to be the ones that go low beam and high beam. When I rewired this car, I intentionally rewired everything so when you turn the key on, the headlights will come on with the switch. But if you turn the key off, whether you leave the switch on or not, the lights will go off. So there will be no mistakes about leaving lights on. But these lights here, the outer one here, these are going to be low and high. The ones on the inside are going to be high only, which means that both filaments, well, not filaments, but both lines are wired to just the high beam side. So everything comes on when you turn on high beams. But for right now, this is what we're putting in. So if in the event I actually did want to use this car, which is probably not likely because there's still stuff we got to do, I'd at least have some lights. So go ahead and throw these bulbs in real quick and go ahead and test it all out. Okay, the bulb, I put the bulb in here. It just snaps in with this simple little clip, so it's not really that difficult. And I will need this ring here, which for anybody with these old cars will know, you'll have these headlight bulb rings that are used to hold it into what is called the headlight bucket, this piece right here. So go ahead, put everything in here, snap the ring in, bolt it up, and let's make light. All right, we got the bulb in. As I said, just had to seat the housing inside the headlight bucket after plugging it up, of course, and put the headlight bulb ring on, which is secured by 3 little bolts. You can see right there, there, and there. And really, you just have to rotate the ring a little bit to be able to release it and then do the opposite to lock it in place. I do have one screw in there that's a little bit bigger, which is why I had to take the screw out. But that bulb is in. Also, have that one in just the same as both sides. So we are going to go make a little bit of light. So go ahead. As you can see, we have light. Pretty good there. Kind of light up the wall over there. I'm going to go turn the light off. We're going to see how it looks in the dark. As you can see, these lights are bright as hell. See, we got high beam and low beam. Hit the high beam again. Bright as hell. Now just imagine when we have 4 of these bulbs in. These things are gonna light up the night like it's daytime. Awesome. So, yep. We got us 2 bulbs in. They're bright as hell. As you can clearly see. Even the tail lights work. All the stuff works. We are lit up. So, until the next time, you know what to do. Click like and subscribe. And I will see you later.